Well, hey guys, VCcoins Nevada here. Bummer news. My furnace is not working anymore. Uh, Working fine last night. I melted copper and silver last night. But right now it is holding about 162 degrees Celsius, which is nothing. So sorry, I bumped the camera. But it's dying. I don't know what's going on. I thought it might have been my electrical receptacle or my extension cord, and I tried a new one. I turned it off. I reset this thing about 3 times. But it's not coming back. It's holding temperature about 160 and it's dropping, I think, even more as we speak. It started heating up fine when I turned it on tonight. It was climbing. It was up to about 800 degrees Celsius when I was getting ready to melt some copper tonight for Bill Gibson. And it decided it didn't want to work anymore. So I am totally bummed out right now. It's not coming back. It's holding around 160, and at 160 you won't. Basically, 160 will heat water. That's about it. It's not gonna melt any metal, that's for sure. And it looks like it's still dropping. So, well, I'm gonna tear this thing apart, and maybe I can find what's causing the issue. Yeah, it's dropping. It's 159 now. Yeah, 159. I bet you it's going to drop some more. So anyway, 158. Yeah, it's dropping. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn it off. And I'm going to tear it apart. Hopefully I can find something down below that I can fix real easy. Maybe some metal dropped on a coil or electrical connection or something. It's an electronic thermostat on this thing, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on with it. But I'm totally bummed out. I knew this was a cheap China piece of crap when I bought it. Paid about $275 for it. I've got a lot of pores out of it, don't get me wrong, but not enough pores to get my money back on, trust me. So anyway, I'm going to tear this apart, and hopefully I can fix it. I'm not going to do it tonight, it's too late. I'll do it in the morning. Otherwise, I have to get a new furnace, and that's money I just don't have. So, bummed out. I'm going to have to sell a lot of silver to buy a new furnace. It's going to cost me about... I'm not going to buy the same one again for sure, because no way. I'm not going to buy the same one. So I'm going to sell about $400 worth of silver to buy a new furnace, which still make me happy. Anyways, a little bummed out. I was planning on doing some pours tonight. Now I can't. So it's going to delay some orders that I have, and that really pisses me off. But hopefully I can get this thing going tomorrow. Maybe, I don't know. I'm a little bit of an electrical wizard, so I can kind of tear it apart and see what's going on. I have a feeling the heating element's going out on it, so if that's the case, it's not worth replacing the heating element on it for what it costs. You're better off just buying a new furnace. But anyway, I will get back to you guys. Totally bummed out. Furnace took crap. Don't know what else to say. I'll get back to you guys and let you know what happens tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.